Okay. We've been working on the van a lot. However, I've not really been filming it because we have like a pretty big deadline that we're working to. We're going skiing this weekend, and last month we kind of were like, okay, we're going to take the van. We don't want to pay for our place, like an Airbnb. And all our friends kind of live closer to the area than we do. So we were like, we'll take the van. But we want to take it and have it be winterized. Which means insulated, which means all the wiring needs to be done, which means the walls, theoretically, should be mostly up. So that's what's been going on. I haven't been filming because Vincent has been working on like the wiring of the van, which is just tedious and not really super exciting. No offense, Vincent. It's just, he's been working really hard on that the past couple of weeks after work, so it hasn't really been super exciting. And also we've just been trying to like crank it out, so I haven't even been worried about filming. Anyway, that all to say, I'm going to try to film today. It is Wednesday, we leave tomorrow, and we're gonna try to see what we can get done today. So yeah, sorry about the lack of filming for the van. I'm going to try to do better. I say that every time, but I'm going to try, and I'm going to actually try to film more of it. All the wiring.
Oh, there's a light.
Okay.